Hello, sir. How are you?
I am fine, madam. I am fine. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you. Okay. Could you tell me a little bit about yourself before we begin?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Sudhir and I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra. And I want to focus on my fluency. Day-to-day life, I want to speak English and I want to become a public speaker. So that's why I'm joining the Clapingo session. And thanks to provide a good platform.
Okay, so you want to get yourself involved in public speaking?
Yeah, I want to be a public speaker. I want to speak publicly like a fluency.
Okay, that's nice. What do you want to speak about?
Educational, because I want to give a education maybe related to computer, related to any other things which I am better in.
Okay, all right, that's great. Okay, so I'll tell you a little bit about myself, and you can call me Hridhima. You don't have to call me ma'am. That's fine.
Okay, Hridhima. Okay.
Yeah, I'm Hridhima. I'm an undergrad student. I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts Economics Honors degree from Delhi University. And I'm from Indore, but I live in Delhi for my degree.
Okay, you are from Indore and nowadays you are living in Delhi.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Have you ever been to Delhi?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am. No.
All right. Okay.
Have you ever been to Jalgaon?
Sorry?
Have you ever been to Jalgaon?
No, I haven't. This is the first time I'm hearing of the place. I've been to Mumbai once, but no. Other than that, I haven't been.
I think in Indore it's a part of MP.
Yes.
MP is the nearest Maharashtra.
I don't know. I've never been to any other place in Maharashtra. Never had the chance, but I would love to come.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
Welcome.
Right. So our topic for today is significant moments in history. But before that, we have another task here. Are you aware of what an extempore is?
Ma'am, instead of going on this topic, I would like to speak on general topic.
Sure. But before that, we're just going to do an extempore. Do you know what an extempore is? I've typed it in the chat box.
Extempore. No.
Okay, so it's written as extempore, but it's pronounced as extempore. Extempore. Exactly. So we're going to talk about general stuff like you want, but before that, extempore is something in which you're given a topic, but you have to speak without preparation. So it's impromptu speaking. So this will really help you with your public speaking as well, because on the stage you don't have time to think. You have to think on your feet. So we're just going to do this 2-minute task, and then we're going to talk about whatever you want to talk about. So I have 2 extempore topics here. You have to choose one from them, and you have to speak on that for 2 minutes without thinking. Okay. So one topic is anyone can be a millionaire if they work hard enough. Okay. And the second topic is the education system in India.
Education system. And first one is anyone can
be a millionaire if they work hard enough.
If they're hard enough. Okay. So I will go with the education system on India. In India. Okay. Nowadays, education system, there is a problem of internet and power failure like that. So digitally teaching students is a very difficulty, because nowadays today's era is a digital era, and all of stuffs are going online. Maybe you can online book online airline tickets or railway reservation. Maybe sometimes we learn online. Now previously we faced the corona pandemic situation, and in that situation most of the schools were going to closed. Okay, so that in that situation all the schools were start over the online, but in the village level or rural level it is very difficult to take online sessions because there was a problem with power failure, there was a problem with the internet connection. So their students face lots of problem to going in a digital area, means one village to another city. So I think education system will improve in that sense, because if they provide digital classroom in the village area, or maybe they provide different system to the village area, so it could be very grateful for new generation. So I think it will be helpful for our education system.
Okay, all right. So the education system, in especially in village areas, needs a lot of infrastructure.
Yeah,
exactly. Okay. All right. Now we can talk about the general stuff. What do you want to talk about?
General conversation, like a question or maybe question answer, maybe, or something. Maybe
okay.
Debate like.
Okay. So tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
My free time, I generally watch videos on my mobile, or maybe sometimes I read the books. But mostly I use my mobile phone to watch, and I mostly watch comedy videos because I want to free my mind. Because once I watch comedy videos, it feels me good better. So mostly I watch comedy videos, and sometimes I watch English movies, maybe cartoon movies English, to improve my communication. That's it.
Okay, just cartoon movies or any other kind of English movie as well?
I have only one cartoon movie, and it's Lord Ganesha movie.
Okay.
So I downloaded it in my mobile, so I watched with my son.
All right. Okay, with your son. How old is he?
I have. He is 8 years old. He is in second now.
Okay. All right, that's great. Yeah. Okay. So you read books also? What kind of books do you read?
I read one book, that's name is Who Would My Kids. It's a Spencer Johnson. Spencer Johnson, I think Spencer Johnson, author name. And one another is Life's Amazing Facts.
I'm sorry, what?
Life's Amazing Facts.
Okay. Life's Amazing Facts.
Life.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a author Prabhu Gorgopal.
Okay, it's a book about amazing facts of life.
Life facts related to life.
Okay.
How to handle our personal life, social life, career.
Oh, so it's a self-help book.
Life. Yeah, spiritual life.
Okay. All right. Nice. So tell me about the area in which you live. Is it like a suburban area? Is it a village? What kind of?
Actually, I'm my native place is a village, but nowadays I'm living in a city. But it's not like a metro city. It's a small city, Jalgaon, where I work in a private sector, and I don't have any surroundings to speak English.
Okay. So no one speaks English there, so you have no opportunity.
No.
I mean, it's the same everywhere. English is always the second language. Even here, I talk in English to people on Clapingo and sometimes my friends. Otherwise, I use Hindi only.
Okay. So, how, ma'am, can I ask how you learn English?
Of course. Basically, in my school, English was compulsory. You had to converse in English. So that's how I got my practice. Also, I've been listening to English songs since I was a kid. And I've been watching English shows for very long, English movies. So that's how.
Okay. So actually nowadays my son also studied in a CBSE English medium school. But in English medium school, there is a one problem. The teachers didn't speak in English. They
Teachers
teach.
don't?
They did not speak in English. They teach in Hindi. They teach. They also speak Hindi.
That's the problem actually with most schools.
Yes. But I was in a vernacular medium student, and so that's why I'm facing lots of problems into my English communication.
Yes.
So that's why I take my first admission in a CBSE English medium. But I thought it is not good for him because they didn't speak in English. They teach in Hindi.
They don't speak English.
They don't speak in English, and that's why I want to provide English environment to my son.
Yeah. So that's why you're learning. That's one more reason for you to learn English.
Yeah, it is one reason, and another is it's also personal helpful for me.
Yeah.
Because once I learn, it will be more profitable for me in future because I have knowledge of English, so it will be helpful for future for new career life.
Right. What you mentioned that's actually the problem of most schools. It's that they call themselves English medium, but they speak in Hindi only. My school was a very good one, and that's why it was compulsory for teachers and students there to speak in English. So that really helped me. But your son can definitely. I read a lot of books in my entire life, so books really help. So the more books you read, the more you'll improve.
Okay, so tell me one of the book which will be more helpful for me, my vocabulary, and it will also reading means most of the time we irritate to reading books because if I didn't like topic, so I would escape to read that book. So that's why tell me one of the story like that. I will read that book.
Okay. I mean, for your son, there are a lot of kids' books available. Two of my most favorite writers when I was a kid one was Roald Dahl, and the other I slipped my mind. I'm going to let you know the name next time. But one is Roald Dahl. He writes very good kids' books. I'm going to type the name here. And as for you, I think there are a lot of international writers as well. But for now, since it's beginning, you can go for any Indian writer. That will really help you. And try not to go for self-help books because they focus on philosophy, not English. So go for fiction, any murder mystery, any thriller, any kind of book that you like. You can purchase it. Any Indian writer, I will recommend.
Do you have any good Indian writer?
I'm just gonna suggest you one book. Let me just confirm the name. So R.K. Narayan writes really good books. R.K. Narayan. His books are very simple. You can read Malgudi Days by R.K. Narayan. That's the book I was talking about. It's a very good. It's a very good, simple book about simple people. So
I saw the program related to Malgudi Days on a Doordarshan.
Yeah, R.K. Narayan is a very good writer. So you can refer to his books. Yeah.
All these books will available on the online.
Anywhere.
Okay.
Online. Yeah, online also. These are very common books. So you can get them anywhere, online and in your nearest store also. All right, so yes, please.
Okay, ma'am, what is your plan in future? Because you are a student now and now you are learning. So what we want to become in your future?
I have actually gotten published 2 books this year. I'm also a writer, so I wrote 2 novels during the lockdown.
Give me name of the evil novels in the chat box.
Sure, sir. It's a fiction only. It's a murder mystery as well. So the name of my novel is The First Light of Dawn. It's available online.
Okay. The first light of dawn.
Yes.
Oh.
And it's by my pen name, which is Fair. Just a second. That's my pen name. So yeah, The First Light of Dawn 1 and 2. These are the two books. So yeah, I want to be a writer. So that's what I'm working towards.
Okay. Wow, nice. Best of luck for your future.
Thank you so much. We're going to wrap up for today. Great job on the session. I really enjoyed talking to you, and I can see you putting in efforts on English language, which is great. And you're doing great as well. Keep on reading the books that I suggested you. I'm going to suggest you another book the next time we meet. And we need a little work on your pronunciation as well, but that's for later. Right now, we're going to focus on your grammar and everything, and your sentence structure and your vocabulary.
Okay.
So reading will really help you. Any questions before we leave?
No, ma'am. No, there is no question.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.